Good afternoon, everybody. We are back, and it is still a very nice day out there. We've got the US dollar, Japanese yen is up 0.55% today. Oh, there's the weather. 72 degrees, partly cloudy right now. We got Frank first in the chat. Dark Bro FI. Oh, that must have been a very close one. What's going on, Chris? Dark Bro Frank. We got Dark Bro Chris, Dark Bro Tim. How you doing, Tim? Dark Bro Tim, Dark Bro Victor. 23 months of bro. Victor, man, are we there yet? Tomorrow is the MOAS to the moon, moon. Thank you very much, Victor, for the member chat. Dude, keeping that name for 23 months. I absolutely love it, Victor. Cannot say thank you enough to all of you guys that have kept your names that long. Really do appreciate it. And yes, tomorrow is the MOAS. Victor caught on by now. We get Dark Bro Kai, Dark Bro Kai, Dark Bro Next Level, Dark Bro, Next Level, Dark Bro, all of you guys. Very glad to have you in here. Let's check the market out and see what is going on right now. AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen, finishing the day up 11.5%. $9.26 per share. Phenomenal day for AMC. 9.26 is looking very good. Shiba Inu coin, dead in the water. Shiba Inu coin, ridiculous right now. GameStop, 15.08, up 2.5% of the day. Bitcoin, basically sitting sideways all afternoon long. I mean, check this out. We've done nothing since this morning. Bitcoin sitting up 1.91% today, $27,939 per share. The NASDAQ sitting at 13,431, a massive 1.60% gain today. Man, the market loving that jobs report after reacting negatively to it. So very interesting that it played out that way. Dogecoin sitting at 6.1 cents. Ethereum sitting at 16.43. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 7.22. Bitcoin sitting at 27,952. The SPY 429. QQQ 364. You've got Mullen Autos sitting at 47 cents. Sundial sitting at $1.69. Netflix 381. Highcroft Mining 27.9 cents. MPW $5.10. Tesla soaring back into the green today. This is wild, from 250 all the way up to 260. A massive $10 gain for Tesla today. Joby sitting at 647 and TMC 93. 0.65 cents. We're going to watch Bitcoin down at the bottom left-hand side of the screen, but let's check the chat out and see what is going on. 73 degrees and sunny, mild wind, perfect conditions. I love it, Dark Bro. Basically the exact same thing here. We've got a retirement long-term, a Roth and long-term retirement portfolio combined to close the day up 0.97%. Today's top three, DISO, that is the Disney Yield Max. You've got FB, that is the Disney Yield Max, right? The Facebook, we've got Coney. All right, man. Look at that Yield Max taking it off there. Who had their $1.20 dividend. All Yield Maxes, top three. Looking very nice, Frank. Very, very cool on that one. That is awesome, man. The fact that they paid a $1.20 dividend and they still performed top three stocks today. That is incredible. Still waiting for my blue wrench. Victor, for some reason, I knew when I saw that member chat come over, that is the first place my mind went to. Is this dude is still waiting for his blue wrench, and he's been here for 23 months. He's been a bro for 23 months, and he's still waiting on that blue wrench. My goodness, Victor. Now I'm feeling bad, man. Now I'm feeling bad. How's Lunk looking? Rubasu, man. I'm telling you right now, Lunk is not looking that good. So we're going to pull up Lunk. We're going to pull up Glowstone. Dark Bro, give me that website one more time. I forget what that website was that I got to find Glowstone on. But in the meantime, let's take a look at Terra Luna Classic and see where it's at here. We've got Lunk sitting at 5,900 points per coin. It is back up just slightly, 1.86% of the day today. Coming off 5,700 point per coin lows, touching 5,900 points per coin, and overall, 7-day chart not looking too good. Giving back all of those gains that we had earlier in the month, which you will see on this monthly graph. So we had a nice little rally from 5,800 points, taking us all the way up to 6,600 points, and giving all of that back. The 1 year graph, not looking too good, man. 1 year graph, Terra Luna Classic is down 80%. And of course the all-time graph, I mean, it's, back down to nothing. Terra Luna Classic, man, look, the lowest levels that it was ever at was 10-20 cents. before taking off and ripping to $100. Think about that, man. That is a huge 1000x gain, going from 10 cents to $100 a coin, and then right back down in a matter of days. Boom, 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 spiraling out of control and losing 100% of its value. And that's not from these all-time highs. That's from the introduction here at basically $1. So that's nuts, man. Terra Luna Classic, though, they do have a couple proposals out there right now. Hexagon, or the Terra Rebels, not getting paid. Six Samurai, looks like they will not be getting paid. The All Nodes, $10,000 a month, was not paid. The Coin In whitelisting of that wallet, they will pass that one. That is passing right now with 99+% yes votes, and it seems to be the only proposal there that is gaining traction at the moment. So whitelisting Terra Luna Classic, or whitelisting the wallet for Coin In so they can burn Terra Luna Classic, seems to be getting the most attention. Now, CryptoRank.io, let's check that out right here. CryptoRank.io. All right, what do we got? You guys can't see it. CryptoRank.io. Here we're going to go. Kuglon. Dude, what do you mean? CryptoRank.io right here. I don't even see it, Dark Bro. It's not even showing up for me, man. Glon is gone. Looking at CryptoRank.io, right? That's what you just said? Yeah. I don't even see it, Dark Bro. What the heck's going on, man? Just pulled it up. I just tried to pull it up, too. CryptoRank.io. Yes, CryptoRank.io. Can't even do it. Well, they just need to abandon it, let it dip some more, and let someone who actually cares about it, its future, come in. Dude, I agree with that, Dark Bro. I agree with that. And that's probably what's going to end up happening. Looking forward to Sunday night, Dallas versus San Francisco. Go Dallas. If it sounds like something you're interested in, Gorilla, let's get started. Frank, 25 months of bro. Hopefully firing up my Twitch gaming channel this weekend with the launch of Assassin's Creed Mirage. Come give a follow. I am open for mild stock talk. Very nice. Listen, what's his Frank CFV on Twitch. If you guys want to check him out, Frank CFV on Twitch. Very nice. Frank, man, make it happen and enjoy some weekend streams with Frank, guys. I just pulled it up, Dark Problem. You saw me looking at it right there. I can't even find it. CMC unlisted Glon too. Yeah, CoinMarketCap doesn't have it listed either, Kai. I tried to pull it up on CoinMarketCap. I tried to pull it up on CoinGecko. I'm trying to pull it up on CryptoRank.com, and I cannot get it anywhere. Nice, Frank. All my big bros. Heck yeah, next level. We got all of these big bros out there with 25 months. Frank, that is awesome. Let's go Cowboys. You know, I cannot name a single player on the Cowboys team next level, and I'm not even ashamed to admit it. How did Matt end up on the quartering? Should have been you, Clay. I finally feel like me again. Back to the grind. More 3D work for the uprising. I have no idea how Matt, if we're talking about Matt Kors, I don't know if we're talking about Matt Kors or not. I have no idea. Next level. What is the quartering? Should have been you, Clay. Well, thank you, I think. I don't know if it's a thank you or not. So I'm going to pull it up on CoinGecko. Had to grab the token address from CoinMarketCap, copy and paste it. Glon. All right. Glowstone. Where is... Okay. Got it. Yes. Search. Boom. Assuming this one. All right, Dark Bro. This seems to be the one right here. Glowstone, guys. It is trading at about half the price. It's trading about half the price that it was trading at when we were looking at it. Oh, geez. What is that, 6 months, 7 months ago? I don't even know when it was. But I remember the market cap was around $80,000 to $85,000. Current market cap is $41,000. $28,000 in the liquidity pool. The last trade seems to have taken place on October 2nd. This is the last tick that we have. October 2nd, 2023. And it was way down here. I don't know if there's just no volume, and that's why you're not seeing any transactions, or what the deal is. But as you can see, this is a 15-minute chart. And you're going July 25th, July 31st, August 2nd, August 4th, August 5th, August 6th, or 7th, 8th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 14th, 16th. So there are very few. So in September, you only had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades placed in September. That might be why CoinMarketCap delisted it. 24-hour volume is $0. There's been 0 transactions, and over the last 24 hours, and the last transaction took place on October 2nd there. So Glowstone not glowing at the moment. It seems to be burning out right now. Let's go Cowboy cheerleaders. Kai. Now, Kai might be interested in watching the football game for a different reason than most people. Quartering a political type. Okay. Yeah, well, look, man, I just, there's nothing about politics that makes me happy. Everything about politics makes me mad. So I don't necessarily want to discuss politics with anybody, even though I have very, very strong opinions about politics. I don't really enjoy talking about them with people because it's usually like just a negative discussion. So yeah, I don't really want to talk about politics with people. But I mean, some people are right and some people are wrong when it comes to politics. They always look good, Kai. Yes, they do. What's a better investment, Shiba or XRP? Well, XRP is a better investment than Shiba Inu coin. Shiba Inu coin has a much lower market cap, and Shiba Inu coin could potentially have higher higher gain potential, right? Because it does have a lower market cap, and you could see it 10x just to get up to a $40 billion market cap there. And meanwhile, XRP would be touching $300 billion if it 10x's. So, but what are you investing in with Shib? Shib is a meme coin. In XRP, you're investing in Ripple. So I would say Ripple or XRP is the better investment. It's just, are we going for gains and potential, or are we going for investment there? Secondary will be fine. The challenge will be up front with C and McCaff. Whatever that means, I agree with you, Gorilla. But it was about stocks and memes. Now that, I can discuss that, because I discuss that all day long, Night Cow. Yeah, Gorilla. Ouch. Yeah, Dark Bro. Ouch on Glowstone, if that's what you're talking about right there. Yeah, Gorilla. But it's got to fix the red zone offense. Tired of relying on our kicker. Always, man. Nobody wants to rely on a kicker. And the defense to score all the time. Something. So we got to worry about the offense scoring. Well, you definitely need to fix that. It was about stocks and meme stocks. Not too much on politics. Well, then I could handle that situation very well. I'm more bullish on XRP than Shib at this point. Well, yeah, I am more bullish on XRP, but I still think Shib has better, gain potential. Because even though it's a meme, I still think that it's, because it's lower, man. I mean, we're going to be 10xing to get back up to the all-time highs, 12xing to get back up to the all-time highs. When you're looking at 6x gains to get back up to XRP's all-time high. Soccer is all kickers. That it is, Frank. Frank is right on that one. I am more bullish on XR. That's all that. I get you, though. I shot at TV a lot. Night Cow, yes, man. I don't necessarily yell at the TV too much, but it has happened before. I find myself yelling at my phone a little bit more when you see them stupid shorts. When you see those stupid shorts come across that are about politics. Leash, humanity in here again with Leash. I like it. Hopefully, if you do have Leash, hopefully you can see it go up in value, because we need to see any cryptocurrency go up in value right now. Come on, man. This phone case is not wanting to move at all. Hold on. Give me 2 seconds, guys. All right. I'm back. Yes, Nightcow on that one. The Loop community can do something for Shib as well, since technically both of them are decentralized. Now, that I would like to see. Aru, you've got a very committed community with the Terra Luna Classic community, and you've got a very committed community with Shiba Inu coin. But look at Shib in the top right. I mean, guys, we got to zoom in here. So you look at Bitcoin down at the bottom left, and you actually have a chart. Look at Shiba Inu coin in the top right here. This is the same time frame. 4:15 you're seeing. This is the same time frame right here. Look at the difference. There's no way that I would buy Shiba Inu coin with this chart activity. There's not a single reason I would buy Shib. Now, I want to see if it looks very similar to this out here on CoinMarketCap. One minute, yeah. Oh, boy. Dude, this is a brutal chart. This is a brutal chart for Shib. This is just barcoding. That's all it's doing is barcoding. Literally any other coin. Let's see what this looks like. I still don't like it too much, but it does move a lot more. Okay, this one's got to be worse than Shib. Come on. No, it's better than Shib. Monero is better than Shiba Inu coin, and it's got less volume than Shiba Inu coin. Cosmos, man. 56 million in volume. Where are we at with Cosmos on the 1 minute? Much better than Shiba Inu coin. Oh my goodness. I don't know about Shib with that price action right there. It must be just a very stagnant time period for Shiba Inu coin. We get to see some people getting excited about Shib again. I love Shib, man, but the devs gotta do something positive to get the community happy and want to use Shibarium and bring some volume back. I 100% agree with you, Next Level. And I don't necessarily put all of it on the developers, because I don't think the developers have ever done anything for Shiba Inu coin. But I believe that they've caused a lot of problems over the last couple of months with Shibarium. And kind of leading people on to believe these fantastic kind of expectations, and then dropping the ball big time with them. Shib definitely has potential to do 1,000x, maybe more. Shib's got the potential to do something like that if and only if it burns massive amounts of its coin. It's funny when you think about it. The football spends most of the time in your hands. Yes, that is very funny to think about a football in your hands. Gorilla, I have no idea why they call it football. And I mean, soccer truly deserves the word football. So I don't know. I don't know why it would be soccer. Congrats, Frank. J-Bones, baby. What's going on, J-Bones? Claybro, remember a few live videos back, you said about AMC going to the moon if certain things happen. I guess what, I have the video, and look what happened. Not financial advice. PS5, yeah, we were talking about it. I think, it was a couple lives back. I actually don't remember which one it was. But that's when we started to put all of these lines on the chart here. Dude, we moved right back up above this and broke out of this level that I said if we break out, it's going to be looking pretty good. Well, today was the breakout day, and it is looking pretty good. Here's what you got to watch for, man. Next real level of resistance now is not until you get up to $10.90, almost $11. So keep that in mind. You could be seeing a nice gain up to $11 here if the trend continues. What you need to watch out for is potentially, you might have a little gap fill all the way up to 12, but then look at these gap fills here, 19, almost $20, and then $43. The only thing that I would be watching out for right now is Adam Aaron's dilution. If this stock moves up to $19, $40, I truly believe Adam Aaron will dilute the snot out of it. So please just watch out for that. Don't let Adam Aaron take your gains from you. If it is moving up like that, okay, just know that he's going to take advantage of it, so you should probably be taking advantage of it as well. Thanks, Bones. Bones, absolutely. I'll sell my Shib after 2025. Humanity, good deal, man. And I don't want anybody giving up before 2025. Seriously, give yourself a chance for that 4-year bull market, bear market cycle to complete. If at the end of 2025, very beginning of 2026, magic doesn't happen, well, then you can consider giving up. But at least stay in the game with something to give yourself a chance for a massive, massive bull market rally. Hey, bro, first time I made it to the afternoon stream. GeoPed, thank you very much for being in here. I appreciate everybody that comes into the afternoon and the morning streams. Well, good afternoon, Geo. Absolutely. 28 watching, likes. Come on, fam. Smash the like button, guys. Click the like button. Don't make me do something crazy. Federal Aviation Administration all day long, J-Bones, all day long, man. I would join the Federal Aviation Administration in a heartbeat there. Shiba Inu coin, is it dead? Look at the top right. It has not had a single tick this entire live. The live stream started here, by the way, and we have not seen a single tick in Shib. Look at this. We'll just put this on the chart right here. That's Shiba Inu coin. What? Dude, somebody explain to me. Look, we're going to reverse roles for a second here. You guys are coming in. Now, I need an answer from you. What's wrong with Shib? Shib is one of the most popular meme coins in the world. Look at its price action right now. That's not a mistake on the graph. That graph is ticking. What is wrong with Shiba Inu coin? To me, that's nuts. To me, that right there is crazy on Shib. Clearo, easy one today. Why is Bitcoin so bullish? Can't get a buy order in below 26,900, 27,000. So why is it so bullish, man? Today, I think the bullishness in the overall stock market, cryptocurrency market, and so on, it has a lot to do with the jobs report that came out. I think we looked at it yesterday. Somebody was looking at the economic calendar yesterday. And, Shib ticked. Somebody went out there and bought something. Look at that, would you? Up 1 pip. Wow. So the jobs report came in today. It was expected that we added 170,000 non-farm payrolls, and I believe the actual number came in at 322,000 non-farm payrolls added. Nearly a 100% increase above expectations. Now, I don't know what the heck was wrong with analysts in their estimates there, but they clearly missed that. Could you imagine the weatherman thinks it's going to be 30 degrees and it's 60? Or the weatherman thinks it's going to be 40 degrees and it turns out to be 80? Or the weatherman thinks it's going to be 50 degrees and it turns out to be 100? Think about that. That's essentially the same thing with these analysts expecting 170,000 jobs, and we got 322,000. So I believe that's why Bitcoin and the rest of the market is so bullish today. Wow, the chart's like WTF. The chart is like WTF because it's right back down to where it was. Have you heard of Dogechain, the project who earns you a bone? So Angel, yes, I've heard of Dogechain, but HARU, is that a different one? than Doge Chain there. You want to look at HARU. We like that. We'll look at that. Random fact. The average person sees and hears 6,000 ads per day. Holy smokes, man. That's a lot of ads. No wonder people buy without thinking. Yeah, Dark Bro, that's a lot of ads. Shib is broken. Shib does look broken. The chart is dead. It is a broken, dead chart. Ooh, a candle. Next level. You're right, man. We got one. Rigged report. Humanity. You might be right. Dude, you might be right. Hey, bro. Well, guess what? I just bought Shib. That's my candle for the live. Not too much. Just a couple $100. You done that to me. Not financial advice. PS5. Thank you very much for the candle. PS5 driving that price up. And, hey, that very well could be PS5's candle. You know what? I wonder if we can actually confirm that is PS5's candle. I want to see this. You know what we might be able to do? There's literally no volume. No, he probably bought it on an exchange. It's probably not going to show up here. Yeah, it's probably not going to show up here. I don't think he was pulling it off exchange and hitting an actual transaction. I wonder if CoinMarketCap has it listed. 1 minute chart. What do we got? That's his candle. I actually believe it. How much Shib is that? No, he didn't buy 3 billion. He could have bought 7 million. He could have bought 7 million Shib. Might have bought more. You might have jumped in there on one of these candles right here, PS5, and I'll believe it. You're not the only volume. Unless you're like one of these... Was that candle 5 minutes ago? It was 5 minutes ago. Could have been this 20 million candle right here, guys. That would have been about a little over $100. I don't know if it was you or not, but I see your volume, PS5, and I like it. Just got my first free Microsoft shares. Microsoft employee 3 months in. Pretty stinking cool. Very nice. Gorilla Invictus. That is pretty. So do you get and you don't have to tell us if you don't want to, but do you get a share every 3 months? Does it start accumulating a little better? Or what? Because I do think that's pretty cool, man. PS5 just sold. Yeah, now it's right back down to where it was. PS5, darn it, dude. Now we're ticking right back down to the bottom again. Oh, my gosh. Anything and everything having to do with the government is rigged. It probably is. Dark Bro. It probably is. Big differences for the afternoon. I'm listening at home, cooking and drinking. Dude, that's probably much better than either driving or working or whatever you do in the morning stream, Geoped. So thank you very much for hanging out with us. Even though you could be doing anything while you're at your house, listening to the radio, watching one of those girls on TikTok, dude, thank you. Ooh, GG. Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the rose. Yeah, dude, even though you could be watching that stuff, which is highly entertaining, you choose to be here with the bros, man. I love it. Nah, playing Shib Watch right now. Well, I guess that's good. Next level. Anyone play Overwatch? I don't play Overwatch. I don't. I only have one game, and it's Super Smash Brothers for Nintendo Switch, so I could practice and get better and beat my nephew. Haru is on the Doge Chain universe, like the Drugged Huskies, Doge Astro, Doge Tools, and Maverick. Okay, Angel Light. Yeah, so I don't know too much about Doge Chain, but that does sound pretty sweet. And I did not know anything about Haru Project. Later, bro. Ta-ta to you. Toodles to Kai. Off to work. Kai, man, enjoy your day. Thank you very much for being in here and smashing that like button like I know you did. Later, bro. I hate those. Which one are we hating, Dark Bro? I'm not sure. Not exactly sure. They have an ESPP that is pre-tax, and they gave shares as awards for stuff. Oh, very cool. Gorilla Invictus, man, that is very cool. They drive me nuts. Who we talking about driving who nuts now? Now I don't even know. Oh, those people glitch. Yeah. Now I know what we're talking about. I hate those. Dude, it is wild, man. I was watching a Gary V live stream for about 5 minutes yesterday, and he was selling something on the live. Sold out in like 5 seconds. But anyway, he had like 281 people in his live. This is Gary V that we're talking about. He's a marketing guru guy. You know, he's got millions of followers. 281 people. You scroll through and you see these videos. Ooh, Rose. Ooh, Rose. Ooh, Rose. They have 14,000 people watching them. Look, I completely get it, right? They're just, it's what's trending right now. They're doing it. These girls are making a lot of money doing it. That is fine. I completely get that. They're just going along with it and making some money. I really think, though, and I don't know if you guys like that type of stuff, dude, 14,000 people, like, per live stream with those girls acting like that. I don't know if it's TikTok literally trying to make people brain dead, or if they're already there, and that's the type of stuff that they choose to watch. Now, like I say, if you guys like it, to each his own. But, oh my gosh, man. I don't fault the girls because they're making some money doing it and getting a ton of views. But, yeah, I can't determine if it's TikTok trying to make people just watch mindless content and putting it on the screens of everybody out there, or if that's what people are really looking to watch right now. I don't know. I don't know if I'd stoop to that level to do that, but I might. Hey, bro, check out BTC BSC. Let's look at BTC BSC. Bitcoin, Binance, Smart Chain, BTC. BSC. Bitcoin BSC. What do we have here? Ooh, dark, bro. We got ourselves a Bitcoin BSC with a measly little $266,000 market cap. It's up 6% on the day today. It's down 5% over the week. It is up 130% on the month. Dark, bro, I mean, you got some potential right there on that one. All right, so it's been out since the end of September. It's been out for only about a week right now. Dark, bro, what I like, dude, is you're hitting some support right here at this 1.2 cent mark. 1.2 cents, 1.2 cents, 1.2 cents, 1.2 cents. So you got a decent level of support being hit right now. And you could ride it back up to 3 cents. And potentially, I don't know if it's going to catch on, right? I don't know if it's going to be the next Bitcoin or anything like that. I certainly don't think it will. But, yeah, I don't know, man. These people are saying that this is not the real Bitcoin BSC. So please watch out for that. Gets listed on October 4th. I don't know. We're after October 4th, and you type in Bitcoin. This is the only one that shows up. So, I don't know, man. They're saying this is not the right one, but this dude could be trying to scam you too. I don't really know. If it got listed on October 4th, it's certainly not listed on CoinMarketCap. But, dude, it's doing pretty well. It's up 130%. It's got a potential to double even more right there. Yes. Girls on the Simps that pay him to do it. Dude, yeah, that's the weirdest part, man. Hey, bro! About WLD USDT at $1.55. What should I do? Not financial advice. WLD. Let's check it out. WLD. Oh, Worldcoin. Sell it. Sell it. I don't like Worldcoin. We'll look at it in 2 seconds here, PS5, but I don't like Worldcoin. I'd pay not to. Oh, Dark Bro, I will accept it, and I will not do it. Hey, bro, ad overdue. Gorilla Invictus coming in hot. Remind us about the ad, guys. If you get an ad right now, please let me know if you skipped the first one or the second ad in the mix there. But I clicked it, so I want to know if you got it. If I had 14,000 people watching my live stream, I do the whole stream with Doge stickers on my On your knee? You do the whole stream with Doge stickers on your knee? Okay. Not sure I can say that on here. You guys say everything except for that. Interesting. No ignore. Ad. Give me that ad. Next level. I hope you got it. Gorilla. I hope you got it. Hit him with an ad 5 minutes ago. I tried to hit him with an ad 5 minutes ago, but I forgot 5 minutes ago. There you got that ad right now. All right, PS5, man. We're looking at Worldcoin right here. Worldcoin, you got in at $1.55. You're ripping to 166. I love it, dude. I think Worldcoin is going up because Bitcoin and the stock market moving up nicely today. Look at Worldcoin over the last 7 days. Okay, well, you did double bottom off this support line right here, which is not bad. The last month, okay, it bounced off $1 and has actually been rising nicely off that level. So you might be changing my mind a little bit, technically speaking here. Alright, PS5, let's take a look at this. I don't necessarily like Worldcoin. I don't like what they stand for, and I don't like the fact that the circulating supply is obscenely low, and as they issue more and more coins, the price is going to get diluted like crazy. However, if you're looking at a technical trade, which I know you are, all of your trades are short term. Here's a couple things that you want to look at. This extremely steep line after double bottoming down here in this $4, $5 area, has been broken to the downside. If you want to get a little bit more conservative, you're connecting this level right here. So it's your $1.55. Let's leave it up to you, right? But what you're looking at is I would say follow this trend line here on the 4-hour chart. If you want to risk it, and I don't know if you're leveraged or not, but if you want to risk it, I'd say that you are going to be safe at that $1.55. If this trend continues, you're going to see a nice increase, and you can make some decent money on it. But it depends if you want to risk it or not. So I would use, and you can see $1.55 area, $1.55 area, $1.55. You've even got horizontal support, man, at that $1.55. So I think you'd made an excellent purchase at that $1.50 to $1.55 level, kind of right in here, this is a $1.50. So you're slightly higher on this ascending trend line. I would keep this up right here. If you want to let it ride until this trending line or this trend line is broken. If you don't want to let it ride, just know that you are already running into some resistance. Boom, tapped it here, fell down. Boom, tapped it here, fell down. Boom, tapped it here, fell down. Support, support, support. Fell through. Boom. Tapped it here. Fell down. So I don't know if it's going to fall on this resistance, but you are right there at your decision-making point. If it breaks through, you're good to go. If it begins to fall back down, I'd watch for a test of this trend line right here and potentially give up the profit that you currently have. But as far as a long-term hold goes, I don't really like Worldcoin because they're gonna dilute the crap out of that coin over time, man. And you are going to watch, massive dilution take place. Because don't forget, this number right here, the circulating supply is only 1.32% of all of the coins outstanding. So they could dilute it, and you'd be sitting on a cent, 1.6 cents. That'd be my main concern, is the potential dilution to Worldcoin there. But it's up to you, man. Like you say, not financial advice. Do whatever you want. That's just my thoughts on it. Fight 14,000 people. Saw it. Give him an ad. Him a 5 minutes ad. What happened? Did you guys die in the chat? Or you guys didn't like my Worldcoin analysis? Or what's going on? You all fell asleep? You were picturing Frank with Dogecoin stickers on his body parts there, or what was going on? Oh my gosh. Hey bro, Bitcoin's struggling to get above 28,000. How many touches now? 3. What can give us that breakthrough? Any insight from before? Not financial advice. So I think we've had 3 touches on Bitcoin at 28,000. If you're looking at this like daily chart area right in here. Okay, if you're looking at an hourly chart, kind of the same deal. Touched it back here, broke through just slightly, touched it back here, didn't break through, touched it here for the last several hours, couldn't break through. Now, what could give us that breakthrough? I don't know if we need a catalyst to necessarily break through, since we are literally trying very hard right now. This still looks bullish to me. This doesn't look like we're ready to pull off. This looks like bulls are trying to press through. So the good news that we had, the jobs report this morning, I believe is all we need to drive through. It's just, oh my gosh, it is trying. Couldn't do it. Very, very short, very, very small pullback. Testing it, couldn't do it. Very, very short pullback. Testing it. So the pressure is obviously to the upside right now. And I do believe if it's broken, man, you know, we might be running pretty quick to 28.6 area right back up here, and you can see a nice $600 gain. But the pressure is definitely to the upside right now, and I wouldn't necessarily be concerned about curling back over unless you break that back down below 27,800, 27,700 there. But I like the bullish pressure that we're seeing on Bitcoin's chart, on that 1 hour chart. You know, I think the pressure is bullish at the current moment. What's up with Stellar Lumens? What's your opinion on it? So, Stellar Lumens ran beautifully when XRP was running. I believe that Stellar Lumens is going to be some pretty decent competition for XRP, and you can potentially see, what's the best way to say, kind of an exponentially higher gain in Lumens than you can in XRP, but I don't think they flip XRP. So I like Stellar Lumens just the same as I like Ripple, but I probably like Ripple a little bit more because I think it's going to be the Bitcoin of its industry as opposed to Stellar Lumens. I think Stellar Lumens are probably always going to be in the shadow of XRP. Nonetheless, a shadow that can make you a lot of money, because if that industry begins to grow rapidly, I think you're going to see Stellar Lumens growing rapidly as well. I cannot believe Shiba Inu coin right now. This graph is literally making me want to sell my Shiba Inu coin. I really can't stand this. And just because Pat's the man, and I'm going to take another drink, I wanted to replay this because the authorized hydration coming from Pat today. Pat says, "Clay, I hope all is well with you and the bro fam. Funny story. I still watch alarms except for 11 and 1500. Even now, it helps keep me close to the bro fam, even when I can't join the live streams. Dilly to Frank this afternoon, but Dark Bro, who was first in the chat this morning. Pat, dude, thank you very much. I know you're not listening right now, but thank you very much for that super chat. And thank you very much for everybody who sends super chats, goes directly through Streamlabs, undercuts YouTube's fees, all of that stuff. And DD214, 26 months of bro. Absolutely love it, man. DD214 says, just dropping in to say hi. The week has been crazy. DD214, man, thank you very much for keeping that name for 26 months. Absolutely love it. And thank you for dropping in to say hello. I love when you guys do that, right? You don't have to, but you come in. Obviously, it shows support because it increases the views. You guys get an ad view. You click the like button, and you just remind us all that you care enough, even though you've got a very busy week going on. You care enough to come in and show the support there. Congratulations, broski. Dude, congratulations for 26 months, oh, bro. That is amazing. Shib does nothing anymore. Let's hope the big gains are not over. Okay, here's my thoughts on Shib. I don't think that Shiba Inu coin is going to die, right? I think that the Shiba Inu coin community is always going to be around. But I don't know, based on this action right here. I mean, this is a dead coin based on this action. There's no denying that. This is a dead coin. I mean, look at Bitcoin's action. Look at Ethereum's action. Look at Dogecoin's action. I mean, even Dogecoin is doing much better than Shib, even though Doge is having some weird candles as well. This is dead coin action right here. And look, I still believe that based on social media activity, Shib is one of the best. But if the people who post on social media aren't also willing to buy, what the heck is Shib going to do? So that is a major concern of mine. But what we might end up seeing, that I've been thinking about for a little while now, is if people begin to sell off of Bone and Leash and Shiboshis and all of that, they may end up selling off of those and going back into Shiba Inu coin. So I don't know how that's going to play out, but I think that would be pretty sweet. Listen to you earlier today. I think we'll start buying XRP again for the long term. You know, okay, so I want to do the same thing, but I'm also thinking about this. There's a lot of talk recently, and I don't stay as up to date in the XRP community as I do like Terra Luna Classic, Shiba Inu coin, and some of these other coins that we look at every single day. But, you know, I know about Ripple. I know about their business. And I think that they're going to be doing a phenomenal job to grow over time. But I want to know how XRP is going to react when or if there's an IPO for Ripple. So some people have been discussing the imminent IPO of Ripple, and the stock is trading. Now, do people leave XRP to buy the stock? Do people kind of let the stock go and maintain their investment in XRP? Can Ripple as a stock justify $1 trillion valuation, and XRP justify $1 trillion valuation? Is it something where you're going to see both of them rise? Is one going to take from the other? And that is a concern of mine as well. So I'm considering, if they do have an IPO, to try and get into the Ripple IPO as well, because I think that can do very well over the long term, and I do believe that they can justify $1 trillion valuation one day. Thank you, everybody. Bro for life. Baby DD214. Love it, man. The heavy hitters. 23 months, 25 months, 26 months. A Legends live session. Yes, it is true, Frank. We got a lot of people, and that's kind of expected right now. So the bear market that we're in, you guys can see the 36 of you, 34 of you that are in here right now. You guys are the ones that are always in here. I believe you guys are the ones that are going to be in here, whether the prices are doing well, the prices are doing horrible, and so on. It's about much more than just price action. Everybody else, it's only about price action. So I think you guys are going to be the committed ones, the ones that do make it through the 2020. Listen, here's what I got to drive home to you now while you're paying attention. When that 2025 bull market does come, okay, let's just assume that this 4-year cycle that we keep seeing over and over and over again does play out. Right now, everybody is convinced that crypto is essentially done, that it's over. People aren't wanting to add. They don't even want to look at it. When that bull market comes, you are going to start believing the hype again. Bitcoin to $1 million. Ethereum to 50,000. You're going to start believing these ridiculous prices. Shiba Inu coin to $1. Do not, pretend I'm shaking you like right now, like Billy Madison shook that little kid in that movie when he says, "Don't say that." Pretend I'm shaking you right now. Take advantage of the price action in 2025. Do not ride that massive rally back down, because what you're going to see is maybe a 1-month period where it ridiculously explodes, and then within a week, maybe 2 weeks, it is right back down. You will be convinced by everybody, and maybe even my excitement might convince you that things are going to go up forever. They are not going to go up forever. Please take advantage of it. And if it happens, man, oh my gosh. Watch for the 5th cycle to take place. We're going to be getting back in at the end of, 2026, beginning of 2027. We are going to be buying the bottom. Not a week after it starts to dip and it's down 10%. Not 2 weeks after it starts to dip and it's down 30%. We are going to be waiting until the bottom happens at the end of 2026, beginning of 2027. And we are going to be loaded up for the next bull market rally. Guys, I hope you understand that it's a long-term game. And you ride these market cycles. I'm okay to ride them. I might my hairline might be back to here, right? And you might have shills coming in here and tell what's up. My hairline might be back to here by the time that 2026, 2027 bottom comes in. But we're going to be playing it. Why? Because, dude, the longer you stay in the game, the more you're able to cycle your money and essentially launder your money through the markets. Selling at the top and buying at the bottom like that, it's going to project you further than you ever would have imagined. So, yes, dude, regardless of what takes place, we will be here, we'll be discussing it, and we will absolutely be ripping profits. Why? Because we've been in the game, we know the game, and we're not afraid of the game. Yes, I'm earning bone with my Haru NFT, a Dogechain, and Shibarium working together. Angel Light, very nice, man. Lunk to 10th of a cent, please. YNB fight, I would really like that as well, man. Clever, I did sell that Shib, but kept some and bought more of my Caspa dollar cost average. Hope it was a good idea, not financial advice. PS5, man, it just ticked back up 1 pip. Oh no, it ticked back up 1 pip. No, I think it was a good idea, dude. I really like the graph for Caspa right now. Let's see where Caspa's at. I really like that graph. I would keep an eye on your Worldcoin though. I would, man. I would watch that line we were talking about on Worldcoin. Okay, Caspa's up 5% today, 4.9 cents. 7-day, it's down a little off that 5 cent mark. Still looking very good on the month, man. My gosh, nice chart on the month there. The year, absolutely beautiful curve on the year, man. My gosh. And then the all-time, looking just as good. I can't believe Caspa's up 26,000%. That is just phenomenal, man. So I really do like Caspa. Hey, everybody just got home. She was a dead coin, in my opinion. Shib Army is a bunch of PO'd people that bought in at 3,800 plus and refused to take a hit. Dude, strong-willed might bring it back in the next bull market, Tim, but the volume is dead for sure. I will say that. Just turned Wild Turkey and remembered I was missing the live. Nice combo. Pick up power! Thank you very much for the super chat. Good afternoon, bros. I wish I could stay, but it's been a busy afternoon. I hope everybody has an awesome weekend. We've got to the moon. To the moon. Where are we going? We're going to the moon. We got that moon cow for Dark Bro. Dark Bro, pay attention. This one's for you. Dark Bro moon. Yes. Yes, speak of power. Thank you very much for To the Moon Cow and Dark Bro Tim, Giovanni. Dark Bro, loving it right now, guys. Pika Power absolutely killing it on that one. Pika, I hope your afternoon isn't too busy and you do have a little time to really relax. But I thank you very much for being in here. And I thank you very much for that super chat. And hopefully, Dark Bro liked that super chat. Gonna take Mini Bro to the park after this and get some pizza for dinner. It's a guy's night. Dang it, Dark Bro, that actually sounds perfect, man. Enjoy the evening with your kid. Go to the park. Love that pizza, man. And create a little memory there. That sounds perfect to me, Dark Bro. Dark Tim, Giovanni, next little PS5, Gorilla. You guys don't even say hi to me like that, man. Pika comes in here and you guys going crazy. I like it. La Pika Power, La Pika Power, La Pika 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 Pika. Yes, PS5 knows about it. To the moon, Alberto, you're right. Kyle getting better, Neckbeard. Kyle's always been top notch. Dude, you guys are going to go to a petting zoo one day. You guys are going to go to a farm. You're going to be driving down a country road. You're going to hear a cow over there and you're going to be like, dang. Clear's actually dead on with that cow. Clear's actually dead on with that cow right there. Thank you all. Absolutely, Pika. And dude, Pika, enjoy your weekend too. Hopefully you don't have a very busy one. Hopefully you don't have any homework. Nothing crazy like that. And you get to relax a little bit. J-Bone, Snowball Crusher. Never, man. Bro fam, when did you sub to Clay, bro? September 2nd, 2021. 4:04 p.m. here. Do we have anybody that would have subbed like way, way, way back in the day in January of 2021? I know that one guy. I believe Stephanie Bro has been around. Stephanie Bro has been around since then. But Luca Luca Brasi came in like last week or so, and he has been around, dude, probably since January or February of 2021. I remember him being in the very first live streams, and he would comment on my videos, on my AMC videos. I specifically remember that because he would comment on almost all of my AMC videos, like way back in January, February of 2021. So anybody else in here been before that, man? Because Luca is probably one of the first that I remember. Mr. Normus has been around for quite a while as well. So I don't know when he first subbed, but yeah, man, a lot of you guys real early on in 2021, and I'm loving it. Heck yeah, best cow ever. Alberto, Alberto knows about it. Didn't start chat until 2022, nothing wrong with that. I'm sending a link to all my buddies. They're asking Angel Light, perfect. Thank you very much. Anybody that shares this link with anybody, seriously, thank you very much. And if you want a shout out for anybody when they come in here, Angel, I will more than happily give it to you. I really do appreciate anybody sharing the live stream and sharing videos. A little positive news for Shib. It's a Robbie, 100%, man. 100% on that one. See, Shiba Inu coin isn't necessarily pegged to anything, but it is a very, very stable coin. It's actually more stable than Tether. You can actually see Tether bouncing around almost 99 point something cents to a little over $1. Shiba Inu coin dead steady at 722. You might pip up to 723. Dead steady at 722. Robert is dead on that one, man. That's perfect. Shiba Inu coin is now a stable coin. So BlackRock ETF, Bitcoin, Shiba Inu, Doge Cardano. See the article. Giovanni, I still haven't seen the article, man. Let's see if we can look it up. Oops. We'll just go here. I don't know. All I'm seeing are these Bitcoin spot ETFs. BlackRock expecting all these ETFs to be approved in the next 3 to 6 months, which would be phenomenal, guys. BlackRock Insider says ETF approval imminent, priming Bitcoin price. I don't know if anything's imminent. And you always love these insider informations that are out there, right? So, yeah, I don't see anything, but I will tell you, if they do approve a Bitcoin spot ETF, what you're going to see next, altcoin spot ETFs. So, I believe Giovanni's right there. If Bitcoin gets approved, you're going to see altcoins getting approved as time goes on. Clay bro, when we all meet, I'm going to throw an insane party. We all deserve it. The Clay bro community is always amazing as family. PS5, the bro family is the best family in the world. Like, seriously, there's 31 of you guys in here right now during a bear market. I know a lot of other guys have a lot more people in their live stream, but I'm dead serious. The bro family is like, the bros are by far the best, dude. Nobody in here causes any problems. Everybody's always looking out for each other. You guys are legitimately like the best crew ever. And I would put you up against any other group of people. Seriously, man. I mean, you guys don't cause any issues for anybody, and you only want to see the best for everybody. How do you achieve that? You especially on the internet, man. The internet is like a dark a dark hole just filled with bad things. Yet we've got the best internet in the game, and really, seriously, you guys are incredible. Hey bro, maybe someday I'll go to a farm and hear a cow. Tim, maybe you will, and you'll be reminded of me when you do, Tim. Okay, where Farmy? I actually don't know. I haven't seen any notifications on it, so Farmy probably is sitting pretty stagnant right now. Let's see where Farmy is. $1.50. Farmy is kind of stagnant. Oh boy. Farmy's setting up support right here at this $1.50 mark. You know what's going to happen when Farmy rips down through $1.50, right? Now these are low. These are all-time lows. So there's nothing stopping it once it does fall. Farmy's at an $8.9 million market cap and sitting at $1.50 after its 1-for-8 reverse split. Farmy is going to fall below 150, and Farmy is going to rip to new all-time lows. Absolutely sad to see. My clutch wide receiver just got listed as doubtful. My only other bench wide receiver already played. Dude, Kombu, I'm telling you, man. It sounds like my lineup. Clipper, I subscribed in May of 2021, but I didn't really say anything or interact until 2022. Dark Bro, nothing wrong with that. Appreciate you subscribing in May of 2020. That's still very early, dude. That's before AMC actually ripped up through those all-time highs, man. That's actually awesome that you were there that early. It's because you're the best and most honest. Appreciate you, Giovanni. Seriously, man. I really do. Everybody have a good weekend. Food's done. Going over to the neighbors to have some more drinks. Fly low and avoid the radar. There you go, GeoPed. Have a great weekend, Clay and Bros. Boom, baby. It is 5 o'clock. You guys know it's time for the weekend right now. Peak of power. I see your name at the top of the screen, so if you're still in here, thank you very much for that super chat, and thank you very much for being in here and making everybody's weekend a little bit better. Guys, get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do these shout-outs, and then, of course, we will be back with videos tonight. Please put them on. Listen, dead serious, begging you guys. Please put them on a playlist and just let them loop over the weekend on level 1 volume, because YouTube knows if you don't have any volume. On level 1 volume, and pad those views, because views are obscenely low right now. But nonetheless, let's do these shout outs. We'll enjoy the weekend and we'll come back strong next week. We got Kombu, man. Kombu, enjoy it. J Bones, baby. See you later, J Bones. Giovanni, GeoPay, Crypto Rocketeer. Boom, baby. Dark Bro, man. See you later. We got PS5. Enjoy your weekend. Kombu, Gorilla, Dark Bro, Tim, man. Enjoy your weekend, Tim. Dark Bro, Gorilla, Dark Bro, Robbie. Aloha, Robbie. We got Gorilla. Forgot my cup. Peace out to you as well. Forgot my cup. Dennis Parker. Don't drink too much. Don't drink anything except lemonade and iced tea. Dark Bro, man. 24/7. I love it. J Bones, man. See you later. PS5. All of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Giovanni, PS5. Till the next time. Pro X. All right, Pro X. I like it. Till the next time. Hope each and every one of you have an awesome day. Timmy! Thank you very much for the 5 green names. Tim coming in hot right at the end. I love it. Crypto Rocketeer grabbing 1. Karma Carmichael grabbing 1. We got Troy, High Rub, Gorilla. Oh, not Gorilla grabbing it. And Livio Rivera grabbing a green name. Tim, dude, thank you very much for those 5 green names. I'm actually surprised that Tim's throwing 5 out and 5 people are getting it. Normally, Tim throws 5 out and 4 people get it. Tim, dude, thank you very much for throwing those 5 green names out there. I know some of you guys are still in here. Please say thank you to Tim. Even if you didn't get one, please say thank you to Tim. That's a huge support, turning everybody in this chat green. And especially if they're not in here, they get an email saying they received one, and they can come in and say thank you later at a different date. So Tim, dude, thank you very much for those 5 green names. I really do appreciate it more than you guys know. Crypto Rocketeer, Karma, Troy, High Rub, Gorilla, man. See you later. Livio, Dark Bro, Next Level, Kombu, Giovanni, Gorilla, Tim, Dark Bro, J Bones, Crypto Rocketeer. You guys know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.